Hello and welcome to the follow-through practice. We are going to be going through our image today and finding ways that we can connect the different facial features to help us be able to draw this more accurately. And you might be thinking, how is that going to help us? But let me show you. We are going to start with our two top corners, and we're going to do all 4 of these corners because it's nice that when you line up with a corner, you only have to take one measurement, which is really, really helpful. Now, what we're gonna do first is we're going to come from this top corner and we're gonna see like what we can connect from our top corner. And by connecting, I mean I wanna touch as many facial features as possible. Now, when I come from this corner, I can touch the eye, the side of the nose, and the cheek all at once, which gives me so much information. So that is the line we're gonna choose. So I want you to line up your ruler now so that it touches the eye, the nose, and the whole side of the cheek there. We're just gonna draw that in. Beautiful. Now we're gonna come from the other top corner, and typically the nose and eyes and mouth do usually line up in most species. If we connect with this top corner from the right, you can see that we can still touch the eye, the nose, and the mouth, which is very helpful because what we're trying to do during this phase is we're trying to block out each of our features, which means right now we have like the start of the top and the bottom and the left of the eye, but we still need to come in to get that right edge of the eye so that when we draw in that space, we know that that is the exact size of the eye and where it belongs. Now, to help us with that even more, let's finish our follow-through lines coming from the bottom corners. So we did the top corners, now let's do both of our bottom corners. So we are going to finish bordering the rest of these shapes, and I like to give myself the outside edge of the eye, and it also shows me right where that little tooth is going to belong. So I'm gonna come in and draw this line, bordering in the eye, and our last corner to draw in is gonna border in the other eye. So I'm gonna show myself that that's right where the nose ends, that's right where our eye begins. And so we're just going to draw in this line. You can do this with me. All right, so essentially at this point, we should have the strip for the eye lines, and the follow-through lines from the corners should essentially create an X that's showing you the width of our eyes and where they belong. All right, thank you for listening.